Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Meadis. I'm a chiropractor. I developed a technology we call NeuroConnect. NeuroConnect is a technology that helps our joints and muscles to reconnect to our central nervous system to function optimally. In actual fact, they enhance how the nerve fibers in our body communicate with our central nervous system. I've got a helper here called Noelle. Thanks for coming, Noelle. And I want to show you what happens when your central nervous system doesn't work properly because it's not connected to your joints. So here are her sacroiliac joints. Many people have problems with the sacroiliac joints, and deep within the ligaments are mechanical fibers or proprioceptive nerve fibers that are in constant communication. They're like on-off switches to the central nervous system. When the joint stops functioning, the muscles associated with that joint, in this case gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, actually stop functioning as well, and it causes the body to twist awkwardly, and you can strain your lower back. Most people come to a chiropractor so that we can find this fault and correct it through manipulation or other means, or you can go to a physiotherapist or a massage therapist. They work through the muscle and they clear the area, and the mechanical nerve fibers start to function again, and they talk to the central nervous system, to the brain, and the brain makes all the muscles of that joint work properly. So the way we test this is, if you don't mind, I'll just turn this way, is to use the basic function of the gait mechanism. The gait mechanism is a built-in hardwired mechanism which, when you put your right leg forward, your left arm goes up, because that's how we walk. When you put your left leg forward and your weight goes onto your left leg, your right arm goes up. So let's move back and we'll do that now, okay? So let me have you put your left leg forward just a tiny bit and put your weight on your left leg and see if you can lock your muscle against my hand. That's it. Push up to the ceiling. Great. That means that when the nerve fibers in her left sacroiliac joint feel the weight of her going onto that joint, the brain is completely organized and can make the anterior deltoid fire properly. So now what happens if we put your right leg forward, weight on it, and your left anterior deltoid we test? Push up to the ceiling, and you're having trouble locking against me. Try it again. You can't lock. Okay. So that means that there's a problem on her right sacroiliac joint. So let's test to see if the muscles of that joint are working. Come on over here against the wall. Lean against the wall. Let's test the left gluteus maximus muscle. Gluteus maximus is very specific. The ankle's turned that way. I'm going to put pressure right here. I'm going to test this muscle. And she locks against me. Try again. Really strong. Okay, let's do the right side. Remember, this is the joint she weighted, and her left anterior deltoid didn't fire. And again, and you're unable to do it. Try again. Very difficult, right?
Yes,
okay, so, all right, so now I'm going to put some clips on you. NeuroConnect clips are treated by physicists in such a way that they actually emanate or emit a subtle energy frequency, and it just happens that they come in sets because each set has its own frequency and causes an energetic triangle to form and intersect with the central nervous system of the body. Now, if I take just this one clip off and put it on the table and have her put her right leg forward, put weight on it, and push up to the ceiling, see if you lock, and you don't. All right, try again. By not having the center clip on her, she can't resist. But now she's completely strong. She's very, very strong. Okay, come against the wall for me. And now let's do the right gluteus maximus muscle, and just hold there as I push. And she's extremely strong. Let me take the clip off, put it on the table. We'll break that energetic triangle and resist. And she can't resist. All right, so Noelle, how about you treat your lower back with the devices? I'll show you how to do it. You simply hold one device on the top of your head.
A certain way?
Doesn't matter, just let it sit there. And now turn around and rub the right sacroiliac joint with the other. Okay? So the right sacroiliac joint's more here. Go straight down, right through here. That's it. That's all you have to do is rub it for about 5 or 10 seconds. And the energetic pathway that goes from this clip to this clip causes the central nervous system to join to the ligaments and to the proprioceptors embedded in the joint. Okay, that should be done. If it worked, we should be able to do your gait test. So put your right leg forward, put your weight on it, and you're completely strong. Correct?
Yep.
Okay, let's try the wall test. And right leg back, and resist as I push. Completely strong. So that's how you do a self-treatment using NeuroConnect clips. And I'd recommend that if you have a problem like this, Noel, that you might want to start by holding one on your head and just drawing a pair of imaginary glasses around you and go down the back of your neck. So if I come this way, the clip's on her head, right here. We go around, up to the ear, around and over the ear, down the back of the neck. And you can repeat on this side. So you can go around the eyes, over to the ear. And if you touch the TMJ, that's a good idea. And down here and down the back of the neck. And if you want, you can go reach and just rub both sides of the spine. And with the clip still up here, you can rub the inside of the knee, both sides, and the outside of the knee, outside of the ankle, inside of the ankle, outside of the ankle, and the inside of the ankle. And what you have then is all the major proprioceptors that are involved in posture reset to the brain, and all your muscles will work properly. Thank you.